LinkedIn marketing. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type linkedin.com in the search bar. Log into your account or create a new account first if you do not have one yet. Once you reach the LinkedIn homepage, go to the top of the page and click on the For Business section. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate the Service Marketplace option and click it. A new window will open and you'll see a search bar. Type in a service you want to find on LinkedIn and click it. LinkedIn will then display a list of people relevant to your search. Review the options and choose one that fits your needs. For example, I choose this person. Click on that person's name to open their personal page. On their page, click the Request Services option to proceed. Complete all the request proposal questions that appear on the screen. Once you have filled in all the required information, you can either send your own message or use the template message provided by LinkedIn. After reviewing your details, click the Submit button to send your request.